Well, everyone, there should be no reason whatsoever why anybody should be going through and installing iOS 26 just yet. From what I can tell you from my personal experience, iOS 26 still has a long ways to go, and there are still a lot more improvements Apple really needs to kind of focus in on before going through and kind of, before making it like a really good version of software. Now, even though right now iOS 26 has gotten substantially better, I would say, from beta 1 to beta 2, it still is nowhere near perfect, and there are still so many things Apple needs to go through and improve on and fix before actually making it like an official good update. So as of this point right now, that's kind of how I personally feel about it. There just doesn't really make a lot of sense to go and kind of, buy this type of, or install iOS 26 because of the amount of bugs and issues that you might be running into. So that's kind of number one. Now, on top of that, another very big problem you're going to be experiencing here inside of iOS 26 is the fact that within this type of update, you're also probably going to be experiencing some sort of problems when it comes down to like this going back to iOS 18 and just connecting to other devices. If you don't update every other surrounding device around you to the version of iOS 26 or macOS or watchOS X, Y, and Z, there's going to be some problems you're going to be experiencing from that side as well. So there can be some compatibility issues. A lot of applications you're going to install and use may not be accessible within iOS 26. They may not work properly. So there are a lot of reasons why you should not be installing this version of software right now. But keep that in mind, that is as of me making this video. That's not necessarily forever. And I can definitely tell you in the next coming weeks and months, there definitely are going to be like better versions of, software coming out very soon. And I will tell you from that side as well, Apple will do a really good job at kind of making this a way better version of software in the next coming, weeks and months. But right now, it just doesn't make a lot of sense to go and do that. And there are substantially way better, there's just a way better experience you can kind of have rather than going through and installing it just right now. So keep that in mind. Definitely it'll get better throughout time, but it just doesn't really make that much sense to go install it just yet. So from that side, that kind of covers that up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.